welcome to the channel or welcome back to the channel. As you can see today I have Hot Wheels that I have brought from other collectors and trade meets. So I'm gonna do an unboxing today. Let's get into it. Straight up, we have the team transport, the Ford GT race along with the truck. It's beautiful. These have very good details in it. I just love these. Next, we have the Ford Mustang, the team transport. Again, beautiful details. And the good news is Hot Wheels is coming back to India after the ban and everything. I just can't wait. Next up is a Volkswagen, the Bug, the team transport. There are two more team transports that I bought. I will show you later on. Let's go to the bigger box. And the team transports, the R34 and the R32, these two are imported. It's not available in India as of now. The R34 especially, the details on this is so good. You can see the truck and the R34. It is so identical. It is very good. Next up, we have the two Datsuns, the 510 and the 240Z. Then we have the Impreza and the Impala. Hot Wheels has always been my favorite from my childhood. I've been collecting for a long time now. So I'm very happy to add this to the collection. Next up, we have the GT40, the Gulf edition. Then the Corvette C7. Then the Acura NSX, the old one, the OG. Just love this. I mean, if you ask me whether I like this or the new NSX, no doubt it is this. Then the Pontiac Firebird. It's pretty good, and with these Hot Wheels used to give a free plane in the back, a paper plane for you to sit, play with it. You can assemble it yourself. Let me just keep this aside. Next, we have the Audi RS5 Coupe in black. Just love it. Then the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Almost in Gulf edition color, but just love the color on this. I mean, in this color, I just love this color compared to other colors that Lamborghini Sesto Elemento Hot Wheels has. Then the Volvo Estate. I mean, according to me, Volvo Hot Wheels is very rare, especially in India. When I used to collect going peg hunting, I never saw these on pegs, but yeah. Lucky enough to get these. Then the Chevelle wagon. Next up, we have the Datsun wagon, the 510 one. Then the Chevy Nova. And the 65 Mustang convertible from 007 Bond movies. Just love the color on this very Mustang. It's beautiful. I got this Mustang just for the color. we have the Audi 84 Quattro, the one used in rallies and the one in Ken Block's recent videos before he passed away. This was a rally legend, Group B series rally legend. Just know this. Then the 67 Mustang in purple color, beautiful. Then 17 Ford Raptor. Ford Raptor has been one of my favorite SUVs, especially with that powertrain and everything. Just beautiful. Then we have the Ford Escort in the Rally Pack, the special premium pack. Then we have the 2018 Ford Mustang GT. Then the 2016 BMW M2. Then we have another Audi Quattro, the Rally Legend in British Racing Green. Then we have a Project 8 Jaguar. Just beautiful, one of these Jags. Jags always beautiful. Then we have XJ220 Jaguar, the legend, the OG Jags. Then one of my very favorites, the Koenigsegg Escort. Two of them in two different colors. Just love them. It's beautiful. Up next, we have the Skyline 2000 GTR in red, the police version. Then the 911 GT3 RS. Then the Skyline GTR R33 in blue. Love the color on this. Then we have the Toyota Supra, the drift version. As you can see, it has two different colors in the wheels. Good. Then the Lamborghini Countach, the police car. WRX STI, the Rally Pack edition. Then the Ford Shelby Super Snake, beautiful. I have one of these for sale. I'll let you know on how you can buy it from me later on. Then the Gulf editions, the Ford GT, the Porsche and the Ford Mustang. It's just beautiful. Gulf editions, you put Gulf edition on any car, it becomes beautiful. Then Shelby Cobra in black. Then another RS5 Coupe. A Ford Escort, the RS 1600. Then we have the 69 Dodge Charger 500. Another 84 Quattro. A 98 Honda Prelude. It's beautiful, this especially on this color. And a Pagani Huayra, the Brembo version. A Nissan 300ZX, the twin turbo. A Lamborghini Aventador J in the orange. And a Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. That's all for this box. Let's move on to the next box. Premium Car Culture Pack. Then we have a 2011 Dodge Charger. A Camaro SS drag version with a parachute at the back. A Aston Martin DBS. Volkswagen Caddy, another Shelby Cobra, a Dodge Challenger drift car, and another Ford Shelby Super Snake. Project 8 Jaguar in British Racing Green. Just love the color on this and the details also. A 68 Shelby GT500, a Corvette C7R, and a 5-car pack. We have the Cadillac El Mirage on this, the 15 Jaguar Project 7, the F-Type, then GT3 RS, a McLaren F1 GTR, and a V8 Vantage. Well, that's it for the unboxing. The good news is, few of these are for sale. I will leave the link in the description for the page where you can DM me on chats and stuff, and I will let you know what all cars are there for sale. So stay tuned. We are gonna get more and more Hot Wheels in the coming days.
Thank you for watching.